Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, friends. We are so happy to see you here today.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, and I'm really excited about today's lesson.
Me too. Today we are going to learn something very important and very useful.
Yes, today we will learn how to talk about yourself in English.
This is perfect for beginners. When you meet someone new, you need to introduce yourself, right?
Exactly. It's one of the first things you learn in English, and we will make it super easy for you.
We will teach you simple phrases, easy vocabulary, and natural sentences.
By the end of this video, you will be able to introduce yourself with confidence.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our lessons.
Okay? Are you ready to learn?
Let's go.
So, let's start with the basics. When you meet someone for the first time, what do you say?
The first thing you say is hello or hi.
That's right. Very simple. Hello. Hi. Easy, right?
After you say hello, you introduce yourself. You say, my name is,
Perfect. My name is, for example, my name is Sarah.
and my name is Tom. See? Very easy.
You can also say, I'm Sarah or I'm Tom.
Yes, I'm is short for I am, so you can say I am Sarah or I'm Sarah.
Both are correct. Let's practice together. Everyone at home, say your name with me. My name is...
Great job. Now try say your name.
Excellent. Now you know how to say your name in English.
After you say your name, people usually ask, where are you from?
Yes, this is a very common question. Where are you from? To answer, you say, I'm from, and then your country.
For example, I'm from the United States. I'm from America.
And I'm from Canada. So the sentence is, I'm from plus your country.
Let's practice. Everyone, say I'm from and add your country.
Perfect. You can also say, I come from. It means the same thing.
That's right. I come from Canada or I'm from Canada. Both are good.
Now, after you say where you're from, you can talk about what you do.
Yes, people often ask, what do you do? This means, what is your job?
To answer, you say, I am a or I'm a, and then your job.
For example, I'm a teacher. I teach English.
And I'm a doctor. I work at a hospital.
If you're a student, you can say, I'm a student. I study at university.
Or if you don't work, you can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm retired.
Let's practice. Say, I'm a and add your job or what you do.
Great job. Now, let's talk about hobbies. Hobbies are things you like to do for fun.
Yes, after you talk about your job, you can say, in my free time, I like to,
For example, in my free time, I like to read books.
or in my free time, I like to watch movies.
You can also say, my hobbies are, and list them. My hobbies are reading and cooking.
Perfect. Let's practice. Everyone, say, I like to and add your hobby.
Wonderful. Now let's talk about your family.
Yes, you can say, I have and talk about your family members.
For example, I have 2 brothers, or I have 1 sister.
You can also say, I'm married, I have a husband, or I'm single.
If you have children, you say, I have 2 kids, or I have 1 daughter and 1 son.
Let's practice. Say, I have and talk about your family.
Excellent work. Now let's talk about age. Sometimes people ask, how old are you?
To answer, you say, I'm and then your age. For example, I'm 28 years old.
Or you can just say, I'm 28. You don't always need to say years old.
That's right. Let's practice. Say, I'm and add your age.
Great job. Now let's talk about languages. You can say, I speak.
For example, I speak English and Spanish, or I speak 2 languages.
You can also say, I'm learning English. That's perfect for our viewers.
Yes, everyone watching can say, I'm learning English with Speaklio English.
Exactly. Let's practice. Say, I speak and add your languages.
Wonderful. Now let's put it all together. Let's do a complete introduction.
Good idea. I'll go first, okay?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. Hello. My name is Sarah. I'm from the United States. I'm a teacher and I teach English online. In my free time, I like to read books and travel. I'm married and I have one daughter. I'm 28 years old and I speak English and a little bit of Spanish. Nice to meet you.
Wow, that was perfect. Did you hear that, everyone? Tom introduced himself completely.
Thank you. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello, my name is Tom. You can call me Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I come from Toronto.
Oh, Toronto. Beautiful city. What do you do?
I'm a doctor. I work at a hospital in the city.
That's great. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to play guitar and go hiking in the mountains.
That's nice. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister and two brothers.
That's a big family. How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
And what languages do you speak?
I speak English and French.
Wonderful. See, everyone? That was a complete conversation.
Now let's practice again, but this time everyone at home should answer the questions with us.
Great idea. Okay, everyone. I will ask questions. You answer out loud. Ready?
Question 1. What's your name?
Pause and say your name. My name is... Good.
Question 2. Where are you from?
Say, I'm from or I come from. Excellent.
Question 3. What do you do?
Say, I'm a or I work as a. Perfect.
Question 4. What do you like to do in your free time?
Say, I like to or my hobbies are. Great job.
Question 5. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Say, I have or I'm an only child. Wonderful.
Question 6. How old are you?
Say, I'm years old. Nice.
Question 7. What languages do you speak?
Say, I speak. Excellent work, everyone.
Now you can introduce yourself in English. How do you feel?
You should feel proud. This is a big achievement.
Let me give you some extra tips. When you meet someone, always smile.
Yes, a smile is international. It makes people feel comfortable.
Also, make eye contact. Look at the person when you talk.
And speak clearly. Don't speak too fast. Take your time.
If someone asks you a question and you don't understand, you can say, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Or you can say, I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Can you say that again?
These phrases are very helpful.
Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
That's right. The important thing is to practice and keep trying.
Now, let's review the key phrases one more time.
To say your name, my name is, or I'm.
To say where you're from, I'm from or I come from.
To say your job, I'm a, or I work as a.
To talk about hobbies, I like to or my hobbies are.
To talk about your family, I have, for example, I have 2 sisters.
To say your age, I'm years old.
To talk about languages, I speak.
These are the building blocks of introducing yourself.
Practice these every day and you will get better and better.
You're doing amazing. Keep up the great work.
Wow, we covered so much today.
Yes, you learned how to introduce yourself completely in English.
We are so proud of you for learning with us today.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these phrases every day.
You can practice in front of a mirror with friends or even with family.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Now we have homework for you. This is very important.
In the comments below, please introduce yourself in English.
Write, my name is, I'm from, I'm a, and tell us about yourself.
We want to meet you. We read all the comments and we will reply to you.
This is great practice for you, so please don't be shy. Leave a comment.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Speaklio English.
Hit that like button if you enjoyed this lesson.
And share this video with your friends who are learning English.
We make new videos every week to help you learn English easily.
You're doing great. We believe in you.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and never give up.
Thank you so much for watching today.
We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Keep speaking English.